Hi, Turkey. How are you? How are you? Long time no see. Aren't you a handsome boy? You are. Yeah. See, this is Turkey. Say hi, Turkey.
Peekaboo. What you doing?
What you do?
What you doing?
Look at his color. That he got a pretty color on.
Yeah, he just.
He's a beautiful guy. Yeah. Look at him. Oh, he's like, okay, I'm ready for the camera. Okay.
Pose.
He is so cute. Are you gonna get him a girlfriend? Yeah. Are you excited?
I think he's a boy.
He just answered, excited.
He said he does talk.
Yes.
He says about 3 different things.
Yeah. Hi.
What you doing?
I'm taking your video.
Tookie.
Turkey.
What you doing, Tookie?
So handsome boy, huh? Hi, Turkey. You want me to pet you? Yes, okay. Oh, what? You bite me? That wasn't nice.
He will.
I know.
He's ornery.
Did you want me to pet you or no? Yes?
He used to be sweeter, but...
What happened? You want to come over?
I didn't pay enough attention to him. But now he's going to have all my attention.
Yes, he does. This is Turkey. Yeah.
I even cleaned up my backyard.
Nice, nice.
But it took me 3 days at 10-minute increments. And then I'd have to sit for half an hour. I finally got it done.
No biting, Turkey. You want me to pet you? Yeah? I can pet you. Oh. Yeah. Want to come over? How do you make him come over?
I usually put my shoulder up there. Otherwise, he's hard to get off that thing.
He's looking. I think he's scared of me.
What's up, Oops? Oh, see, I did that again. What's up, Tookies? Jeez. The dog got to a point where I was carrying her everywhere. Because it was easier than have her pee on everything. Poor thing. What's your YouTube channel under? Oh, it's under your name.
It's no? Yeah, it's under my name. It's just with an extra M and 2 I's at the end, and then my last name.